In the late 1980s, BMW created a car that stood apart from everything it had built before. It was not designed for mass production or commercial success. That car was the now legendary BMW Z1. In 1985, BMW established a small research division called BMW Technik GmbH. Its mission was to give engineers complete freedom to innovate without the constraints of conventional production goals. The division's first project was to develop a modern interpretation of the classic BMW Roadster, like the 507. They named it the Z1, short for Zukunft, the German word for future. When the Z1 was revealed to the public in 1987, it caused a sensation. It was compact, minimalist, and futuristic. Its most distinctive feature was its doors, which retracted vertically into the body. Instead of swinging open, drivers could lower the doors completely, creating a unique open-air experience while maintaining the car's structural rigidity. The Z1's body panels were made from thermoplastic, a lightweight, durable, and easily replaceable material. Owners could remove and swap panels in just a few hours, theoretically changing the entire color of the car at home. Underneath, BMW used an innovative monocoque chassis that combined steel and composite materials, providing excellent stiffness and safety for a car of its time. Power came from a 2.5-liter inline-six engine, producing around 170 horsepower, borrowed from the BMW 325i of the E30 generation. The BMW Z1 was rear-wheel drive, with a 5-speed manual gearbox, and featured an advanced multi-link rear suspension, a setup that would later become a BMW hallmark. It wasn't designed to be fast, but it delivered a pure, balanced, and engaging driving experience. Between 1989 and 1991, BMW produced just over 8,000 units of the Z1, all built by hand. Its high price and unconventional design meant it was never destined for large-scale production. But that was never the goal. The BMW Z1 was a testbed, a car meant to explore what was possible when creativity and engineering freedom collided. What many people don't know is that BMW Technik didn't stop with the Roadster. In 1988, the team built a one-off Z1 Coupé concept. This hardtop version of the car transformed the lightweight Roadster into a shooting brake, maintaining the same platform and powertrain, but giving it a sleeker, more enclosed design. The concept hinted at the potential for a broader Z1 lineup. However, the Z1 Coupé never went into production. It remained a design study, serving as inspiration for future BMW projects and helping to shape the company's understanding of lightweight body engineering. Although its life was short, the Z1 left a lasting legacy. Its innovations in materials, chassis design, and aerodynamics influenced many BMW models that followed, including the Z3 and Z4. It also set the tone for the Z series itself, a family of cars dedicated to performance, freedom, and experimentation.